another.
Hate hangs slowly, child is slowly taken. And the violence lost such silence. Who are we mistaken?
Then you see, it's not me, it's not my family. In your head, they are fighting with their tanks and their bombs and their bombs and their guns. In your head, they are fighting. In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. What's in your head? In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. Oh, do 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 do.
On the first page of our story, the future seems so bright. Then this thing turned out so evil. I don't know why I'm still surprised.
Even angels have the wicked schemes, and you take that to new extremes. But you'll always be my hero, even though you've lost your mind.
Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. But that's alright, because I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. Well, that's alright, because I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie. Oh, I love the way you lie. Oh, oh, oh. So maybe I'm a masochist. I try to run, but I don't want ever leave till the walls are going up in smoke with all our memories.
It's morning, you wake, a sun ray hit your face, made makeup as we lay in the wake of destruction. Hush baby, speak softly, tell me you're awfully sorry that you pushed me into the coffee table last night so I can push you off me. Try and touch me so I can scream at you not to touch me. Run out the room and I follow you like a lost puppy. Baby, without you I'm nothing, I'm so lost. Tell me how ugly I am, but that you'll always love me. Then after that show me, in the aftermath of the destructive path that we're on to psychopaths. But we know that no matter how many knives we put in each other's backs, that we have each other's backs, cause we're that lucky. Together we move, man, and let's not make mountains out of molehills. You hit me twice, yeah, but who's counting? I may have hit you 3 times, I'm starting to lose count. But together, we live forever. We find the youth fun and our love is crazy with nuts, but I refuse cancel. This house is too huge, you feel me? I burn on 2,000 square feet up into the ground. Shit you can do about it, cause with you I'm in my fucking mind. Without you I'm out.
In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. What's in your head? In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. Oh, 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 hey, oh, da, da, da. Today is gonna be the day that they're gonna throw it back to you. By now you should have somehow realized what they gotta do.
I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now.
I walk a lonely road, the only one that I have ever known. Don't know where it goes, but it's only me and I walk alone.
Backbeat, the word was on the street that the fire in the heart is out. I'm sure you've heard it all before, but it never really had a doubt.
I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now.
My shadow's only one that walks beside me. My shallow heart's the only thing that's beating. Sometimes I wish someone out there will find me. Till then I walk alone.
And all the roads you had to walk are winding, and all the lights that lead us there are blinding. There are many things that I'd like to say to you, but I don't know how.
But I don't know how.
'Cause maybe you're gonna be the one that saves me.
Save me. Yeah, yeah.
And after all, you're my wonderwall.
You're my wonderwall. Yeah, yeah. You're my
Can you
wonderwall.
pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars?
Shooting stars.
I could really use a wish right now.
Wish right
Wish
now.
right
Wish
now.
right
Wish
now.
right
Wish
now.
right now.
Can you pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars?
Shooting stars.
I could really use a wish right now.
Wish right now.
Wish right now. Wish right now.
Wish right now. Yup. Let's pretend like this never happened. Like I never had dreams of being a rapper. Like I didn't write raps up in all of my classes. Like I never used to run away into the blackness now. Let's pretend like it was all good. Like I didn't live staring in the notebook. Like I did things that I probably knew I should. But I ain't have neighbors, that's why I call it hood. Yo, now let's pretend I ain't got a name before they ever call me B.O.B. or A.K.A. Bobby Ray. I'm talking back before the mixtapes, before the videos and the deals and the fame, before they ever once compared me to Andre, before I ever got on my space, before they ever noticed my face. So let's just pretend and make wishes out of airplanes.
Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. But that's alright because I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. But that's alright because I love the way you lie.
Love the way you lie.
Oh, I love the way you lie. Oh, love the way you lie.
Jum 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 baba.
अरे बस हो गया. A very warm good morning guys, good evening, whatever that is. We are the String Theory and she's Ranjini, she's Suchi, I am Sharad. Hope you have enjoyed the video and if you have, please
Like, share.
Mayank,
Subscribe.
yes, just make sure you spread the word. Cheers.